Oh, wow. This is what we are about, these opportunities, and I'm sure in the Banabama, and I like the fact that you use something we are encouraged to as broadcasters. You know, you've got a lot of people abandu abati mhlawumbe umsasazi ezawuthi, hey, I hope nimamele kulo ndawo. They say radio is the theater of the mind, and I see you applying that. Because when you speak to a person, you speak to the individual person. And I think for anyone who's also like in the this whole multimedia space, that's what you should be about. You have a mental picture of this person, this grade 12 that you are talking about, this person who studied so much, this person who, in spite of everything else, omnye funeka yokhapela inkomo, omnye yovulela inkomo, omnye funeke ehlambe imoto, omnye funeke, different challenges ekufuneke zenzile, but uyanqala uya kulo mntana mnye ubehlamba izitya. Now they have to rise up and take a moment yabo and say into yokubana, like, actually this is what I'm capable of. Mna ndifuna ubulela Ngalamazwi, and also coming from someone who's so passionate about development, education, just being out there. Queen.